Hey, what's up? Dirt Dog Scrappy here. Today I'm scrapping an electric lawnmower. Right on the patio, because this isn't going to fit in the workshop. First thing I did is remove the blade. We've got 4 bolts right here. Zip them out. I'm sure this thing worked because it came with a battery and all. I never in my life will use an electric lawnmower. I'm not gonna fucking disrespect myself like that. Let's see what we got in here. 90% of this thing is plastic. The only thing I want is the motor. Hold them right here. There. Wires out of here. All garbage right here. Look at that. I've never seen a motor like that before. Nice big one. Hopefully I can take it. I might just throw this in with the mortar pile. Not very much in these. Bunch of wire. Damn cable. Bunch of screws everywhere though. Cut this one out. Go. Look at that. I bet you this thing is loaded with copper. There's copper things here. Let me get the rest of these freaking wires out of here. Fuck it. Alright, this is all garbage. Piece of steel here, probably. I don't have a magnet out here, so use this thing. Yeah, there's 2 pieces of steel. This is all garbage then. Let's see what's in this part here. Apparently not much. Thousand screws in this thing. steel. Another piece of steel. Plastic. Alright, there's nothing much in there, so it's just wire. Alright, hopefully you guys saw most of that. See what this fucking thing's ain't got. I don't know how I'm gonna take this apart though. Let's see. Alright. This is what we got in an electric lawnmower. This is all wire. Let me show you guys. I think I fucked this video up, but this is what it is. Nice big ass motor. Bunch of wire. This thing I'm gonna mess with later. There's copper on there. Nice pieces of copper right there. I'm gonna try and take this apart later. So electric lawnmower, we got wire, copper, and motors. That's it. I'm Dirt Dog Scrapper. I'm out.